Right, there is 2,500 colleagues working in sales at global level, and there's about 1,700 people who work in kind of account management type roles. That means in the field or in the office behind the phone, and about 800 people work in customer services around the world. Our objectives are very clear and very simple. We're here to acquire a lot more customers and get existing customers to buy a lot more. Now, with sales being the most expensive resource that we have in the business, it's very, very critical that we know where to deploy our resources with the best bang for the buck. Hence, our focus in sales is really to focus on what we call our most valuable customers, and those are customers with high existing sales volumes or with high potential. And that's where we deploy the human touch. So we see sales as a real differentiator in working with these high valuable customers. By offering them more than just a product, we're actually offering them some real valuable solutions that enable them to save time and money in their procurement. We have over 1 million customers that we are serving worldwide in more than 80 countries, and we focus very distinctly on 4 customer types. They're electronic design engineers, machine and panel builders, maintenance engineers, and last not least, but important, the buyers. We work with very simple segmentation models based on customer turnover, on the potential of the customer, but then we work very closely with our marketing function that can get us some excellent insight, in particular from the interaction that we have from the customer on the web. And that's what we call behavioral insight or behavioral triggers. And those triggers will then allow us to deploy the human touch in certain situations in a more effective way. So let me give you an example for what I mean by behavioral triggers. A lot of our customers come to us online to search and browse when they have a product need, and then they go and find the order and they put it in the product basket, and ideally they check out and purchase the product. But there are certain customers that abandon this process before they've completed the purchase. Now, through behavioral marketing, we actually get that information, and that allows us then to set up a lead management process into sales, and we can then pick that information and touch base with the customer through the human touch, for example on the phone, to find out why the customer has abandoned the purchasing program and what we can do to stimulate a purchase, or whether there's another solution we can offer to that customer. We have about 3.5 million interactions with customers around the world every year. So an awful lot of opportunity to make a real difference through the human touch that our customer service teams deploy. One of the key cornerstones of the value proposition of Electrocomponents is to be easy to do business with for our customers. We've actually created a slogan within Global Customer Services, which is all about creating an effortless customer experience, because we know the less effort it takes for a customer to interact with us, the more they like it and the more often they come back, which is bang on our target to get more customers buying more from us. There's 3 key elements that we're trying to achieve with our global customer service element. 1, to deliver our promise and keep our promise. Secondly, to achieve a seamless interaction for our customers between the channel. And last not least, to be proactive when it comes to communicating with our customers. Let me give you a very successful example that we only recently deployed across 30 markets around the world, which is all about the seamless interaction between the channels. As you know, most of our customers come to us online. Now, we found out that a few customers on their online journey get actually stuck on the website. They're not 100% sure what they need, or they can't find what they need fast enough. So what we offer those customers is a live chat. So we will offer throughout the customer journey online a signal that says, here is Jack from customer services or Jane from customer services. We think you might have an issue. Can we help you? A lot of customers actually pick up the opportunity then to interact with us through this live chat. And what's stunning is the results. The average order value of those customers using live chat is a lot higher than those who are not using live chat, and the customer satisfaction is significantly higher. So that's a great example for creating an effortless customer experience. On the one hand, we are the local face to local customers, providing this human touch. On the other hand, we are a global function. So how can we bring the two together and make the best out of it? Again, it's very simple. We constantly strive to identify what is local best practice. We then take that local best practice and try to standardize it in a simple way, basically create a simple formula, which we then scale up through our sales, operations, and effectiveness teams at a global level. The philosophy behind this is lifelong learning, continuous improvement, and we really want to create advantage for all of our operating companies around the world and all of our customers. So a great example for creating advantage at global level comes from Italy. Only recently we discovered that our Italian sales colleagues had found a way of acquiring new contacts in existing accounts in a massive scale. So what we've done is we've sat down with them, found out what they do. We've tried to put it into a simple way of working, which we've now, with the help of our sales operation teams, rolled out at a global level. So this way of working is now being practiced and executed on a daily basis around the world. The essence of our strategy is very simple. It's all about acquiring a lot more customers and getting existing customers buying a lot more from us. It's as simple as that. Sales play a real key role in that. We deploy our human touch to our most valuable customers and we sell them solutions that really create an advantage for those customers. At the same time, working together with marketing on behavioral triggers and an integrated contact strategy, we're able to deploy the touch even more effectively going forwards, whilst at the same time, through identifying best practice locally and rolling out globally, we create more advantage for our customers, but also for our operating companies around the world. And last but not least, it's all about delivering in a consistent way this world-class customer experience so that customers really feel that seamless and effortless customer interaction that makes them come back to us over and over again and that makes them choose us as their distributor of choice.